Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the "this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11" error. First, open the search bar and type Registry Editor. Open it and click Yes. Now go to HKE Local Machine System Setup. Look for a folder called Lab Config. If you don't have it, right-click on Setup, click New, then Key, and name it Lab Config. Open Lab Config. Right-click on the empty space, click New, then Dward 32-bit value. Create these three values one by one. Bypass TPM check, bypass secure boot check, bypass RAM check. For each one, double-click it and set the value data to 1. After that, close Registry Editor and run the Windows 11 setup again. If it still doesn't work, restart your PC and try the setup again. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.